everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Avery and this is Avery's World. So today we'll be doing another jewelry unboxing. Before we get started, I would just like to show you some of the tools that I use when I do these unboxings. First, I have a pair of scissors, a magnifying glass, a mandrel to check ring sizes, a magnet to test sterling silver, and a tape measure to check the length of bracelets and necklaces. Okay, you guys, so let's get started. Now, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I usually do jewelry and clothing hauls, and I'm a reseller on Poshmark and Mercari. Okay, almost open with this. Let's see what we have. It looks like the seller packaged this very nicely for me. And I still have more to open, so I think I'm going to need my scissors again. Let's see if this will help. And maybe if I can just get some of the tape off, that'll help. Yep, I think that worked. Let's just move some of this other stuff out of the way. And here we go. So we have 3 pendants here. The first is a beautiful marcasite pendant. I really like the red stone, but I'm not sure what it is. And it does say 925 on the back. But we can test it with the magnet just to be sure. Very nice. Okay, next we have what looks like a turquoise pendant. And it's a very beautiful color of blue. And on the back, I believe it says Mexico 925. Very pretty. And we can test it with the magnet. Okay, so next we have this large pendant, and I'm not sure what this stone is. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys know what this particular stone is. We can test the sterling silver ends to see if they will stick to the magnet. And it does say 925 on the bail of that pendant. Okay, on to the next package. Let's see if I can get this one open. Okay, it looks like the seller put everything into a nice jewelry box for me. That was very nice of him or her. Okay, let's see if I can get this open. Let's see. Trying here to get it open. Gonna need my scissors. Ah, there we go. This is a very pretty box. And let's open it together. Okay, so we have 4 rings. And the first is what looks like a blue topaz with a halo of CZ stones. You can check it with a magnet, and it doesn't appear to be sticking, so that's a good sign. And we can check the size, and it looks like a size 6. Okay, very pretty. Very nice. Okay, so what do we have next? This is a ring with some rainbow stones, I'm guessing. And it is not sticking to the magnet, which is a good sign. We'll just make sure. And it also looks like it is a size 6. And I'll try it on so that you guys can see how it looks on a finger. And we're on to the next ring. And this looks like a CZ ring. And it's very pretty. It's sparkly. Hope that everyone can see that. And we can test it with the magnet. Remember, if something doesn't stick to the magnet, that means that it could be sterling silver. The size of this ring is 5 3/4. Yep. Okay, this is the last ring and the final item for this video. And it's a very beautiful ring. Let's see. Looks like CZs and green stones. They could possibly be emeralds, but I'm not sure. And it looks very beautiful. And we can check the size. And this looks like another size 6. And we can check to see if it's magnetic. And it does not appear to be magnetic, which is a good sign. So I think that this ring is my favorite from the haul today. What do you guys think? Tell me what your favorite item was from today's video. Okay, everyone. See you next time. Bye.